Here you see the essential part of a C program. In the previous video, we have written keywords for C language, and you can see here there are two keywords in this essential part. One is int and there is return. And this int and return both are connected to each other, because here you see int is written before main function, and return keyword return is inside the body of main function. Now I am going to devise a program that has been already discussed in previous video. I perform a multiplication. Here you see the multiplication of 2 and 3 is, 2 and 3 are integers, and product of integers is always an integer. So I write format specifier %d. %d is used for an integer, and after this double inverted comma I type a comma, thereafter I write 2 into 3, and see, let us check. This type of program already have been discussed in previous video. You can check. I am just trying to remind you, and I will add something new in this program later. Let us check the result. Result must be 6. Yes, it is 6. You can check. You can match. See, 2 and 3. Here is also 2 and 3 is 6. At the place of %d, it is 6. The value of these 2 and 2 into 3. Okay. Now in this video I am going to introduce variables, and in this program I will introduce 3 variables: integer type, float type, and character type. 3 variables. Int, I write int a. If you a is a variable, integer type variable. Integer type means a may be 2, 3, 4, it is. If you want to choose 2 integer variables, then you can write int b, semicolon. And there is another way to write the same thing. A and b both are integer type, so there is no need to write int 2 times. You can take a and b integer variables, writing int only once, and you have to place comma between the 2, that is between a and b. Thereafter I assign the value of A and B. A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. Here you also see A is 2, B is 3. So at the place of 2 I write A, and at the place of 3 I write B. And now I am not multiplying 2 and 3, I am multiplying A and B. See carefully, and this program will give the same result. But the new thing is that in this program I have used integer variables A and B. So this program makes the viewer to learn how to use variables. Now let us see the output. Output must be the same, that is 6. Yes, you see the output is 6. Okay, now I have said that I will introduce 3 keywords. One you have seen, here you see integer is a keyword, int is a keyword. I am using thereafter float. Float, we write float for decimal numbers. Suppose I take C, comma D 2, you can choose one, C, comma D, and I assign C, you know, float means decimal, float keyword is for decimal, float keyword is reserved for decimals. So I have to take in decimal. If you want to take 2, then okay, you can take, but you have to you should type 2.0. You know 2.0 is 2. And D you can take D equals to 2.5, and I write the same, that is this thing. I am taking the copy of this and pasting the same, you see. But here you know I have done the work corresponding to A, B, and this time we will do for C and D. And you know C and D are decimal numbers. So for decimal numbers, you know format specifier is %f. So you have to write this time %f. Now let us check the result. Okay, you see multiplication of A and B is 6, and thereafter you see the multiplication of C and D is 0. Here is 0. Let us check what is the fault. At the place of D, let us take E. So here you have to change also at this place. Okay, here you see I have not changed the B. At the place of B it will be D, and at the place of A it will be C. Okay, now it is okay. See, okay, this time it is right. The multiplication of A and B is 6, the multiplication of C and D is 5. Okay, this time okay. Now I am introducing one more keyword in this video, and that is char, char. You must notice that all keywords are in bold letter. I am not typing the bold. it is becoming bold by itself. That is by this software Dev C++. I am using the software Dev C++. So for char, char exists for character variables, and suppose this is E, and I am assigning the value of E equals to, always remember, all characters are written between single inverted comma. I have already mentioned this thing in previous video, you can check. So here you see single inverted comma equals to single inverted comma, thereafter I write A and semicolon to end the statement, and again I write the printf function, printf, and here the character C, and for character I write %C, okay, and I write thereafter comma, and here you see char E, here I write E, I type E. So at the place of E, for E, here at the place of %C there should be A. Let us check our output. Yes, you see the multiplication of A and B is 6. This was the first printf. This is for the first printf, and thereafter you see the multiplication of C and D is 5. This is for the second printf, and at the end, sorry, this is okay. No, wrong. Time here at the end you see A. Okay, so try to understand these things. If you are not understanding something, then write in the comment box.